உங்களுக்குலாம் புரியல. இங்க பொருளை தயாரிக்கிற ஒர்க்கர்ஸும் அதை பயன்படுத்துற கன்சியூமர்ஸும் வேற வேற இல்ல சார். இங்க ஒர்க்கர்ஸும் கன்சியூமர்ஸும் ஒண்ணுதான் சார்.
புரியல.
ஒருத்தவரை 8 மணி நேரம் தாங்க ஒர்க்கரு, மீதி இருக்கிற 16 மணி நேரம் அவன் கன்சியூமருங்க. இதை மட்டும் அவனுக்கு புரிய வச்சிட்டோம், எல்லாம் மாறிடுங்க.
Products are made in the factory, but brands are created in the mind.
The key factors that influence consumer behavior. First one, cultural factors. Culture plays a significant role in shaping consumer behavior. Culture includes values, beliefs, customs, and traditions that are passed down from generation to generation. For example, a consumer's culture can influence the type of foods they prefer or the way they celebrate holidays. Companies need to be aware of cultural differences when creating marketing campaigns or launching new products. Second factor, social factors. Social factors refer to the impact of the people around us on our buying behavior. For example, a consumer may be influenced by their family, friends, or colleagues when making a purchase. Companies can leverage social media influences or use word of mouth marketing to tap into these social factors. Third one, psychological factors. Psychological factors refers to the internal factors that influence consumer behavior. For example, a consumer's motivation, perception, attitude, and beliefs can impact their buying behavior. Companies can create marketing campaigns that tap into a consumer's emotions or values to influence their purchasing decisions. Fourth one is personal factors. Personal factors refers to the individual characteristics that influence consumer behavior. For example, a consumer's age, income, education level, and lifestyle can impact their buying behavior. Companies can create products that cater to specific demographics or use personalized marketing strategies to target individual consumers. Here are some ways in which consumer impact marketing strategies. First one, identifying target market. Businesses need to identify their target market to design marketing campaigns effectively. Understanding the demographics, interests, and behaviors of consumers help in creating marketing strategies that resonate with them. Second, customer engagement. Consumers play a significant role in the success of marketing campaigns. Engaging with customers through social media, email, marketing, or other channels help businesses understand customer needs and preference better, leading to more effective marketing strategies. Third, feedback and reviews. Consumers' feedback and reviews are valuable for business to improve their products and services. They help business to understand the likes and dislikes of consumer and make necessary changes to their marketing strategies. Fourth one, innovation. Consumer preferences and trends change rapidly, and businesses need to adapt to these changes to stay relevant. Listening to customers' feedback and adapting to their needs help businesses to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. Conclusion. In conclusion, the consumer behavior is a complex topic that encompasses many different factors. By understanding the key factors that influence consumer behavior, companies can create effective marketing strategies that appeal to their target audience.
For more stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.